Welcome in, welcome back to the channel. Right now we finna remove this compounder out of this 62TE. So let's get it, man. First, you have to remove the valve body. The valve body have to come out, all right? Next, let's get this big bolt off of the transfer gear, off of the compound transfer gear. Now, because the gear is not pressed on, you can simply pull it out of its place, all right? Now, this compound is held on by a big snap ring. So what we're gonna need is a screwdriver to pry the snap ring out of its position. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now once we get that out the way, lay it to the side. What we need to do now is remove at least 4 of these T25s, and they are on tight. So what you're gonna need is a impact hammer. What you're gonna need is the impact driver, all right? So take your impact driver and get this thing a couple of whacks. You should only need about 1 whack each screw, all right? So we're gonna get 4 of these removed, at least 4, because we need these removed so we can install the special tool. All right, now once we get that out the way, we can install our special tool. I will put information about this tool in the description, all right? So once you get that screwed in place, simply use your slide hammer, the same one you used to remove the pump. Give it a couple of whacks. And there comes the compounder. That's how you remove the compounder, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing to it. Now, what you want to do is look inside of the case and make sure the gear didn't fall off or no debris in there. Set that thing to the side, depending on if you're going to replace it or recondition it. Either way, you got it out. Now, that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.